Get your feet off the desk.
It's hard being the boss.
So what we've got here is electric shower. I think the tank split on it, water's just coming out. So what we'll do is isolate the water, remove this shower and riser onto the pipework, and I'm going to put a new isolation valve in here so we can isolate the shower, take that one off and pop a new one on. New shut off valve, put in the airing cupboard for the shower. New shower fitted, tested, and we just have some appreciation for the tiles. Here's the boys.
All right, matey.
All right, matey.
Yeah, it is.
1352.
Yeah.
It's Big Dave King.
I am not doing any more quotes.
Come on, I've got a Calypso one to do.
Oh, I like them.
So I just had a mate of mine ring me up with some emergency plumbing. He lives quite a way away from me, so we've ended up doing it online. Turn it round, Dan. Let me see the fitting.
Hold on, yeah, look at this.
So yeah, so we're doing some online plumbing.
Bodge work.
It's basically that or a call out, and he's like 40 miles from my house. So we'll try this one first. So what was happening was the nut at the bottom of the valve was leaking and was loose, so it wouldn't tighten up anymore. So whatever he did, it wouldn't stop leaking. So the only way was to crimp the 8mm, crimp the 10mm, and bend it in half and crimp it again to try and stop the water coming through the valve until I can get back over there to do it, as it's an 80-mile round trip there and back. The boys are just fitting this sliding door into the entrance of this ensuite that I've finished doing just before Christmas. Perfect little job just to finish it off. Looks a treat and saves a lot of space.
He's at it again. Ain't got the strength to push one these days.
I can remember it was.
Just leans his wallet on it.
You used to have a brace and bit with a screwdriver bit in there.
Yeah.
For screws.
Oh, to knock in.
Yeah,
Yeah, to put the screws in.
Put the screws in with it.
And then days it was all slotted screws, metal fold slotted.
I can remember, yeah, I remember
started
using
with
slotted
green
screws. Fuck, you could never do anything.
No.
Couldn't tighten me, could you?
No. And then when you try to take them out, we were at Smokeworks and the old boys
Just
would
there,
put them in,
just
try and take them out and they just go...
Yeah. Yeah. But it just makes you think how they used to build stuff before electric drills and that.